Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem in the figure we are given, we're told that RT is equal to TU. So let's just make sure that we see that those are equal. And we're asked, given all the information we have here, what is the value of X? So X is this angle right here, RVS. We have to use the given information to find it. So let's just start finding as many angles as we can. So if we know that RT is equal to TU, then triangle RTU is isosceles, right? It has two sides with the same length. And that means that the base angles, right, R and U are going to be equal. So we have angle R is equal to angle U. And let's just say they're both equal to Y, where Y is just a variable. Well, then we have Y and Y. And now we have a triangle RTU where we have angle R plus angle T plus angle U has to equal 180 degrees, right? The sum of all the angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. R and U are both Y, so we have Y plus angle T is 114 plus Y is 180. Subtract 114 from both sides. These cancel. You have Y plus Y is 2Y is equal to 180 minus 14 is 66. Divide both sides by 2 to get Y on its own because these cancel. You get Y is equal to 66 divided by 2, which is 33. So we can go in here and we can say that, okay, angle R is 33 and angle U is 33. Okay, now if we notice triangle SUV, right? Like we said before, the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So angle S plus angle U plus angle V equal 180 degrees, right? And in this case, angle V is this angle, not the angle that has X, because triangle SUV, angle V is this angle in the triangle. So let's just say angle V here is Z, just another variable, right? Do the same thing here, we're gonna solve for it. Angle S is 31, angle U is 33, angle V is this variable Z, is equal to 180 degrees. 31 plus 33 is 64, plus Z equals 180. And subtracting 64 from both sides, these cancel and you get Z is equal to 180 minus 64 is 116. So this angle right here is 116. Now, we know that RU is a line segment, right? So this, if we can think of it, if we zoom in on what's going on right here, we can think of this as X and 116 forming a line, right? It ends obviously, but this is forming a line. And what that means is that X plus 116 equals 180. Right? In the same way, this acute angle might be 30 degrees, right? We have a right angle, 90. Let's say this angle is 135. This angle, right, is 180 degrees, right? In the same way that these angles have measurements, right? A line might not look like an angle, but it has the measurement of 180 degrees, because then if you take the angle from the other side, then the full circle all the way around is 180 plus 180 is 360. Which is what we expect. So we know that X and 116 make up this line, so therefore X plus 116 is 180. So if you subtract 116 from both sides, these cancel, we get X is equal to 180 minus 116, which is 64. So what is the value of X in this figure? X is 64, C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.